To set up the stroke to the minimum, by turning the stroke adjustment knob in the direction indicated by the symbol minus. Check that the movement of the mandrel is minimal. Turn the stroke adjustment knob in the direction indicated by the symbol plus. Make sure that the mandrel has increased the stroke. Screw the insert on the mandrel, making sure that the top of the insert is in contact with the head and that the mandrel comes out about 2 mm. Make the first cycle of work and verify an insufficient deformation. It is necessary to increase the stroke. Screw the insert on the mandrel, restoring the correct positioning. Still required a slight increase of deformation. Optimal deformation.